Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS and Clockology is installed. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi must be on. Next, sign into the same Apple ID on both devices so transfers work securely. Once done, import the Clock's face into Clockology on your iPhone and accept any permission prompts for health, motion, and notifications. These steps let the app access watch syncing features, and they prevent common permission failures when you try to push the face to your watch. Now you prepare the watch and initiate transfer. On your iPhone, open Clockology, choose the face and tap Export, select Send to Watch. Make sure your Apple Watch screen is awake and the Clockology companion app is open so it can accept the incoming face. Keep both devices within a few feet and unlocked. Transfers can stall if the watch locks or the iPhone screen sleeps. Watch the progress bar. Once it reaches 100%, Clockology will install the face into the watch app gallery for immediate selection. Finish by choosing the newly installed face on your Apple Watch and tweak complications or layout directly on the watch or in Clockology. If the face doesn't appear, first restart both the iPhone and the watch, then recheck Bluetooth, watch app permissions, and that both devices use the same Apple ID. If problems persist, export a simplified version of the face, reduce animated layers or large image assets, because heavy faces sometimes exceed transfer limits and fail to install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.